जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान। वी ऑल नो राइट कि आप लोग तो संत हैं ही, कि जो सुनते हैं प्रभु का नाम वो संत होते हैं, राइट। जिनको प्रभु के नाम में रुचि आती है वो संत होते हैं। संत की परिभाषा ही यही है। इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल कि सब कुछ छोड़ के जब प्रभु का नाम अच्छा लगने लगता है ना, मीठा मीठा लगने लगता है, तो स्लोली एंड स्टेडिली हमारा कन्वर्जन हो रहा होता है टुवर्ड्स संतहुड, पुटिंग इट लाइटली। सो सबको मेरा नमन। एंड दूसरा, जब भी हम राम नाम बोलते हैं, हरि नाम बोलते हैं, हनुमान जी को याद करते हैं, there is so much in this world that we cannot see. There are so many frequencies that we do not know, we can't connect to. But the minute our bhavna becomes shuddh, right? Our heart becomes purer, there is an automatic connection to a lot of saints. Many a times we say, right? उनको साई बाबा के दर्शन हुए, उनको योगानंद जी के दर्शन हो गए। ये संत कहाँ से आ गए? देखिए, we have to be very very particular कि आत्मा कभी नष्ट नहीं होती। What is let out, what gets destroyed is the body, right? And जो ये चीज़ अपने मन में उतार लेता है कि मैं तो अजर अमर अविनाशी हूँ, एंड कौन है नश्वर? ये शरीर। कितनी बार ये इसका नाश हुआ है, कितनी बार नया शरीर धारण किया है। It is just like cloth. We all have an agenda we have to fulfill. There is something that we have to learn. There is something that we have to deliver. There is something that we have to do, right? For that, we take the birth and we take this form. Even राम जी जब वो नर अवतार में आए थे, फिर क्या हुआ? When his job was done, जिस कारण उनने अवतार लिया था वो पूरा हो गया, तो वो भी सरयू में समा गए, right? Everything comes to an end eventually, right? So ठीक है. So but when we talk about saints, they let go of their body when the time is done, but they are residing in various realms, and they are able to move up and down these realms, right? वो ब्रह्मलोक तक जाके आ जाते हैं. And when they are able to move up and down these realms, they can come and give us darshan also. That is the beauty, and that is how we need to believe that there is so much that is happening around us. So many saints and probably angels guarding us. We can't see them. We probably can't even feel them, but they are there. And जब ग्रंथ खुलते हैं तब हनुमंत आ जाते हैं. And when Hanuman ji is there, there is bliss and joy and protection. So this is the story of Hanuman ji, and Hanuman ji is now stationed in Ayodhya, right? हम लोग उत्तरकांड कर रहे हैं. We have reached उत्तरकांड. We have finished all. राम जी आ गए. Ram ji has been crowned. We saw so much of joy. We saw everybody being sent back. कई बार there is a doubt कि if we walk on the path of spirituality, we will be cut off from संसार, right? But ऐसा नहीं होता. If we walk on the path of spirituality, our सांसारिक जीवन also becomes blissful. It becomes beautiful because we start seeing the Lord and His work in everything. Right? अभी आज कोई बच्चा बैठा होता, जैसे अभी है एक बच्ची, पर वो म्यूट पे है, but they would have asked, so all the evil is also God. We'll leave that for another discussion. But सब में, संसार में, सब चीजों में प्रभु के दर्शन होने लग जाते हैं. So that is the अवस्था of Hanuman ji. He is there, he is guarding, he is sitting in Ayodhya. There is so much of love flowing through Ayodhya that without any invitation, everybody, every dev is being pulled towards Ayodhya. पता है, where there is peace and prosperity, where there is love,